Time to assemble the cabinets. Find an area where there's enough room, and don't forget to protect your floor. By following the assembly instructions that come with each cabinet, you'll be able to easily assemble them. Thanks to the wedge dowel construction, all it takes is a few clicks and a couple of screws. Each cabinet has a specific purpose. The base cabinets have more parts than the wall cabinets, and some cabinets have more functions than others. Base cabinets are fixed to the wall, but they also need legs to support them in front. The assembly instructions will tell you how many legs you need. The plinth, if you're having one, will be attached to the legs too. If you aren't having a plinth, you need to install the legs flush to the front edge. If you are having a plinth, you need to put the legs in the opposite direction, so that they're recessed and towards the front of the cabinet. Remember that the cabinets on the side of your kitchen might need an extra leg to support the plinth. The oven cabinet has an open back so that there's enough space for electricity and ventilation. The sink cabinet has an open back and space at the bottom. This gives you enough space for your water supply. Since our cabinets are lightweight, it's not possible to cut holes in them. You can install your corner cabinet to the left or right. Make sure you follow the correct set of instructions. Our open cabinets come in 3 versions: wall cabinets, base cabinets, and high cabinets. They're as easy to assemble as the closed cabinets. You just click them together. It's the same with the legs. Simply click them on. Time for installation. Start from the corner, if you have one, and follow the marks that you made earlier. Fix the cabinet to the wall using the 2 corner brackets and the type of screws that suit your wall. Ask a professional if you're unsure of which to use. Don't tighten the screws yet. You'll be making some small adjustments later. The open metal cabinets have 2 anchor points at the top. Put the cabinet on the rail and tighten the screws. Put the next cabinet in position and align the cabinets at the front. Tighten them using the clips that come with the cabinets. You can't attach the open frames to the wooden cabinets. Once you have the cabinets in the right position, tighten the screws. Now you can remove the rail and either cover the holes with tiles or repair the walls. When installing the base cabinets, start with the corner cabinet. Place it on top of the rail so that you can keep building on the other side of the cabinet. Push the cabinet next to it against the filler piece of the corner cabinet. Then level it and fix it to the wall. Do the same with the rest of the cabinets. Remember that the cabinet on the end needs an extra leg for the plinth. When you install the open metal cabinets, remember to make sure that they align with the other cabinets, both on top and in front. As you don't use a plinth here, you need to use the leg sleeve that comes with the cabinet to cover the adjustable foot. Once your base cabinets are installed, use a spirit level to check their position, then tighten the screws.